This setup is a river sand wash plant. It is configured with a trommel screen, wheel sand washer, fine sand recycle machine, and conveyor belt. 1. The excavator feeds the river sand to the hopper of the trommel screen. The trommel screen is designed with a 2-layer screen. The screen mesh is 2 mm and 5 mm. 2. After trommel washing, the sand will be separated into 0 to 2 mm, 2 to 5 mm, and larger than 5 mm. The larger than 5 mm will be sent to a stockpile, and 2 to 5 mm will be sent to another pile by conveyor belt. 3. The 0 to 2 mm will flow to a wheel sand washer to wash, and then flow to the fine sand recycle machine. 4. The tailing of the wheel sand washer and underflow of the cyclone of the fine sand recycling machine will flow to one pool and then be pumped to the cyclone to recycle. Then the fine sand can be recycled.